couple of months ago.
All
Great
right.
song. Let's get a G note. Hang on just a minute.
Okay.
Ready? I'm gonna ride. I mean that southbound passenger train. I'm gonna buy me a ticket just as long as my arm.
I'm gonna ride that train, baby, all night long.
I'm gonna ride. I mean that southbound passenger train until I hear that old conductor say, all out for Birmingham. I got a letter from my doll babe that lives in Birmingham. She's the sweetest little doll babe that lives in Birmingham.
Well, she's so sweet and she's so neat, and when she walks, she knock you off of your feet.
She is some mama way down in Birmingham. I'm gonna ride. I mean that southbound passenger train. I hear the engineers say, put the shovel in the coal.
Put your head out the window, watch your drivers roll.
I'm gonna ride. I mean that southbound passenger train until I hear that old conductor say, all out for Birmingham.
Barbershop now.
Now when I hear that whistle blow, it's music to my ears. And when I'm with my doll babe, I don't shed no lonesome tears.
Well, she's so sweet and she's so neat, and when she walks, she knock you off of your feet.
She is some mama way down in Birmingham. I'm gonna ride. I mean that southbound passenger train. They're gonna buy me a ticket just as long as my arm. Now wait a minute.
I'm gonna ride with you, baby, all night long.
I'm gonna ride.
Hang on.
Y'all are out of control.
You're too barbershop
control.
for us.
You need a hat.
You're just
one
too
of those hats. You need
barbershop.
one of those hats.
Straw
like you
white hats.
get- Yeah, that's what
We
you
need
need.
5 of them.
Well,
I don't think I
should I calm down? Am I getting
No, I
too
like it
tickled?
actually, but
Okay.
yeah, let's see how barbershop we can get
I don't
with
think
it.
I fit in
Yeah,
with the
you-
barbershop.
Well, there are female barbershop quartets.
I don't
We're a synctet. Cinco means 5. Synctet
I don't know if I'd say that.
instead of a quartet.
It's probably. A
Let's do
bad
that
idea.
again
Let's try
and
it
make
one
it
more
as
time.
barbershop quartet sounding as we can.
Okay,
So I get to use
if I
my
can
hand?
remember.
You can do that.
Okay. Ready?
Help me,
Last verse.
help me with the note, you.
Which
We
note?
better get the note
The
again.
high one when I need to.
Oh. Wait, I lost my note.
You remember how we're going to end this thing?
Oh,
Ready? I'm gonna ride. I mean that southbound passenger train. I'm gonna buy me a ticket just as long as my arm.
Gonna ride that train, oh baby, all night long.
I'm gonna ride. I mean that southbound passenger train until I hear that old conductor say, all out for
Wait, let's try it again. Do the barbershop ending. Come on.
We're getting too barbershoppy.
No, we practiced it this evening.
here we go, right here, ready.
For